TS of ovary of a mammal. The outer surface is covered by a germinal epithelium. Numerous giraffian follicles are seen in various stages of development. The ovarian follicles carries a large centrally placed ovum surrounded by several layers of granular epithelium. TS of testis of a mammal. Internally, each testis is divided into several lobules. Each lobule of the testis contains a number of seminiferous tubules with spermatogonia and cells of Sertoli. In between the seminiferous tubules, mass of cells called Leydig cells are present. TS of blastocyst of a mammal. The cells of the outer layer elongates to form trophoblast. The inner cell mass gives rise to an embryo proper. It has a fluid-filled cavity called blastocele. This is a slide of parasitic protozoan Entamoeba histolytica. It is a microscopic endoparasite of the colon of human beings, causing internal intestinal amoebiasis. The trophozoites is most active, motile, and feeding from which cause the amoebiasis in human beings. This is the slide of blood smear of human being showing the various stages of life cycle of endoparasite Plasmodium vivax. It causes malaria. It lives in the liver and blood of human being and other vertebrates. The primary host of this parasite is human and the secondary host female Anopheles mosquito. This is Ascaris, a common intestinal roundworm which parasitates human and pigs. Slender, elongated body tapering at each end. Male is comparatively smaller than the female and is curved at its posterior end. This is a Banshia, a xerophytic plant. In order to lead life in the xerophytic condition, it has stem modified into a flat, fleshy, green leaf-like structure called phylloclad. The leaves are modified into spines to check transpiration. Camel, a desert animal. It can survive for a long time without drinking water because it can store enough water in its stomach. It accumulates fat in the hump, which helps the animal to protect from the heat. So it is in xeric condition. This is a specimen of hydrophytic plant Hydrilla. It is a submerged plant which is generally found in freshwater ponds. The roots are poorly developed and are devoid of root caps. The leaves are small and narrow and remain arranged in whorl on the stem. This is a specimen of a bony fish called rohu. The body is streamlined. It is commonly found in freshwater ponds. Fins are modified limbs that help in locomotion. The streamlined body helps the fish to swim in the water. This is hibiscus flower which shows entomophily, that is pollination by insects. In order to attract the insects, they develop large and brightly colored petals and nectar. The pollen grains are sticky or spinous. The stigmas are also sticky. Grass plant shows adaptations to wind pollination. Anemophilous. Anemophily is pollination by wind. The flowers are very small, colorless, scentless, and nectarless. The anther lobes are versatile. Pollen grains are light and very small. The stigma is feathery.